I hope you're doing fine. So let me give you a little bit demonstration of this project and how can you change different colors if you like, and how can you change pictures. If you want to change the picture here, just come here, click here and press delete from your keyboard. Similarly, select this, press delete, so picture will be deleted. So if you want to insert here any picture, go to insert image in the cell, and now you can select an image as you like. So let me insert only back this image. You can select this image, this will be uploaded, and here for example if I insert image here, you can insert any image as you like in the cell, but remember, use that option. Let me insert this image there. So okay, so this is the way you can change the images. Other thing was how to change the color. You want to change color of any cell as you like. You want to change color of this thing, you just click here, go to this tab, and now you can change any color. You come here and you can change any color as you like. You want to give this some color as well, you can give this color as well as you like, but let me give them only the color they were before. Okay, so this is the way you can give color to different cells. And how can you change the color of graph? For this, whenever you click on the graph, you see three dots here, edit chart, and once you are in edit chart, go to customize, and here you will see series. So let me go for the possession series. So this is the fill color. Okay, if you want to change color to this, it's okay. If you want to change color to this, okay. So for the other series as well, you can select here. Okay, this is the recovery series, I want to the change color. You can give this color. So this is the way you can give different colors as you like. So let me press here Ctrl Z. Okay, similarly you can change here, go to this edit chart, customize, go to series, and now you will see when you click here, you see series and you can give color. Okay, in this way you can change color of these bars chart. Okay, so how can you change color for this radar graph? Similarly, you come here, you click edit chart, go to customize, go to series, and now you see possession series, you want to change color. Okay, for this one, sorry, for the other series, recovery series, you want to give the color, you can give any color as you like. So this is the way you can change different color, different pictures, and similarly here you can change this picture as well. So you were talking about how to change this picture or how to make this picture. For this you can use Canva. This is Canva. You can log in using your own ID, Google ID, and you can upload your image. For example, I have uploaded image here. Just open this image, so it will say go to here, use in design. As you click here, you are in use in design. Now for the, you now click here on the elements. As you click on the element, you will see here this is a object, sorry, and this is the one. So you can resize it as per your requirement. So you want to insert this dot here. Let me see the color of it. Okay, 2 red, then 3 blue. Oh sorry, this is design. So you can change color from here, this red. Okay, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to red, and from here you can drag it. When you select this, use this to drag. Okay, and now Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I think one blue was here, and let me give the color accordingly. Oh. Oh, the colors are appearing here. So this is blue. Now Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. So this is a very good tool, and you can make your stuff here, and after that okay, now upload good design text. Okay, for example, now you are done with your design, and you can now click here, share, and go to download. You can click share, go to download. So it will say PNG size this. Click download. So the image has been downloaded. Now you want to change the image. Click here, delete this image, go to insert image, insert image in cell. So this was the new image that I made there in Canva. So that's it. Your image is here, and here you can also write, if there is not, you can write okay, red means this thing, blue means this thing, yellow mean this thing, yellow mean red mean, for example, this is sorry, this is, and this is the tag, this is forward, or whatever your terminologies are. You can use those terminologies here. So let me give it a color. Oh, I can give color like this. This is fine. So I think this is the way you can do it. Okay, you can, from here you can make it bold in the middle, and similarly you can make it this in the center and bold, and you can also give it color. Okay, so this is, I think, this blue for the yellow. Okay, third down below. Okay, and the blue is third down below as well. Yeah, this thing. Now let me give a separation. This thing. Okay, so now they are separated as well. Okay, so this is how, and you can write here, okay, this is defense. Let me make it also bold. Okay, So this is the way you can make your own images. You can insert your image, and you can give those images. For example, this is name Angelo. You can say, okay, this is for Angelo, and then you can upload image, and you can save a copy of this, or you can send it directly to the person. And you want to see for the other person is, for example, this is Matthew, and you see graph and everything, these thing change. Then you can change the picture here, anything change here, anything that you like to change here. Okay, so how can you insert the in required information? You go to data. So this is the data. Okay, so let me just copy all the data for the Matthew. You just control C, control V. Here you will be using your own entries. Okay, uh, these are the entries. For single person there will be two entries, one for the possession, one for the recovery. Okay, and you can change here data as well. For example, let me give 2 5 5 5 5 6 8 5 5. So these will be your own entries as you like. You can give it here, effort 4 5 2, anything you like, man. Capacity, capacity 1. Let me give 5 5. So these are the entries. Just this, you just copy paste, and you can use your own entries here, and give the information here. Once you are done with the information, you just go to the dashboard, and sorry, let me change the name of this. Let me call it John, and this is the information for the John. Okay, you go to dashboard, and you just when you get here, you see John will be appearing here. You click John, and that's it. Relationship with the for relation with the football game, and you can change all those entries. Okay, you see here they are the capacity, and this is the capacity statement. Okay, you can give any statement here as you like, and your final comment, this is final for John. Just write anything here, write anything, and as you do that, you see this is final for the John. Okay, you see anything you write there will be appearing here. Okay, this is the way you can change data, and you see this is the capacity statement for the John, and you can just let me make this view. Let me freeze one column. Okay, so as you go here, you see, okay, this is the information for the John, this is the information for the Matthew. Okay, so I think this is a good way to see all the information. So that's it. If you have any of other question, anything that you'd like, you can ask me. I will send you picture of this, man. Okay, thank you, have a nice time.